Hello YouTube! It's the Brick Adjuster here with another episode of What? In today's episode, we have a couple of questions. The first question comes from Frodo Baggins. Frodo Baggins asks, what thing do you feel Lego should make a set of? And the second question, which follows up on this question, comes from StevenBrickAFOL. He asks, is there any other classic 80s movie you would love to see a Lego set or line of? Well, I thought about it and I've come up with a top 10 list. So, here it goes. Number 10. "1989 Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure." It would be so cool to get a Lego version of the traveling phone booth, similar to a Lego version of Doctor Who's time-traveling TARDIS that we've seen on YouTube. And besides Ted Theodore Logan and Bill S. Preston's minifigure, I would like to get a fig of Rufus, Napoleon, Billy the Kid, Joan of Arc, and even Genghis Khan's minifigure. Number 9. "1984's Terminator, or even 1991's T2. I can already see a UCS Terminator head, or even a giant mech Terminator. We can get Arnold Schwarzenegger on his motorcycle, and Sarah Connor or John Connor running around the jail cell. What about Robert Patrick's T-1000? One can only imagine. Number 8. "1985's Teen Wolf. I can already see a Michael J. Fox minifig as a wolf with a t-shirt doing a handstand or backflips off Styles' van. There would be the classic basketball Lego set or the high school dance with Boof. Number 7. "1984's Gremlins. Gizmo would probably look like an Ewok, and the actual Gremlins like Stripe would look like Sebulba from Star Wars Episode 1. There would be the crazy house or even school set where Gremlins would be tearing up the house and Gizmo would be hiding in the cupboards. Number 6. "1984's Nightmare on Elm Street. All I can say is Freddy Krueger. Just picture Wolverine burnt up in acid. Number 5. "1980's Friday the 13th. A minifigure of Jason with his old school hockey mask would be epic. Of course, Nightmare on Elm Street and Friday the 13th would probably never happen. But that's what minifigs for you is for, right? Number 4. "1988's Beetlejuice. We gotta have the iconic Beetlejuice house. And then we have Beetlejuice himself with his pinstripe suit and green clown hair. Then there's the Maitlands, who played by Alec Baldwin and Gina Davis, and the Dietz family as well. We can have their minifigs. However, similar to the Lone Ranger set where all we really cared about was Tonto, the Beetlejuice character would probably be the only highlight of this set. Number 3. "1986 Pee-wee's Playhouse. Now, if Paul Rubin didn't get into trouble in that movie theater, we probably would already have this Lego set. I always wanted a miniature Playhouse growing up, and a Lego version would be 10 times better. Then you get your supporting character minifigures like Jambi the Genie, Mecha Lecca Hi, Mecha Hiney Ho. Then there's Cowboy Curtis, better known as Morpheus. Then there's Globey, Cherry, Magic Screen, Conky, Flory. There's the King of Cartoons, Penny the Clay Girl, Reba the Mail Woman. We would even have a giant Lego foil ball. Number 2. (1984's) Ghostbusters. Well, as you all know, Lego Cuso is already going to release an Ecto 1 with Dr. Peter Venkman, Dr. Ray Stantz, Dr. Egon Spengler, and even Winston Zeddemore. I just hope they do make the Fire Hall headquarters or even a Slimer or Janine minifigure. And number 1. (1985's) Goonies. This is my all-time favorite 1980s movie. I remember watching this in the drive-in theaters when it first came out. And I've seen and supported the Cuso project of the Goonies with the big pirate ship, along with Mikey, Bran, Chunk, Mouth, Andy, Steph, Data, and of course, Sloth in his Superman shirt. So, this is my top 10 80s films I want to see become Lego sets. So my question to you guys is, which 1980s movies are your favorites? Which do you want to become sets for Lego? Comment below, let me know. And please keep sending me Lego related questions. I love giving my thoughts. So, this concludes another episode of What? This is the Brick Adjuster, signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.